Ever wondered how to make money online? Well, you're about to discover how. Welcome to this journey into the world of digital entrepreneurship, where I'll be sharing with you 10 websites that have enabled me to make a cool $1,000 per day. First up on our list is Amazon. Now, Amazon isn't just for shopping, it's also a gold mine for those looking to make money online. With Amazon's affiliate program, you can earn up to 10% in advertising fees. Simply sign up, select a product to promote, and earn commission every time a sale is made through your referral link. Next, we have eBay. Remember that old saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure? Well, eBay brings that saying to life. Here, you can sell anything from used toys to vintage clothes. All you have to do is sign up, list your items, and voila, you're in business. Third on our list is Fiverr. If you have a skill or talent, Fiverr is the place to monetize it. If you're a graphic designer, a writer, or even a voiceover artist, Fiverr provides a platform for you to sell your services. Simply create a profile, list your services, set your prices, and you're good to go. Moving on, we have Shopify. For those dreaming of owning an online store, Shopify is your best bet. It allows you to create your own e-commerce store without any coding knowledge. Choose a template, add your products, and start selling. Next is Udemy. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and make money while you're at it? With Udemy, you can create and sell online courses, develop your course, upload it, set your price, and start earning. Then we have YouTube. Yes, the same YouTube where you watch cat videos can also make you money. Create content, build your audience, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even by selling your own merchandise. Seventh on our list is Upwork. Much like Fiverr, Upwork is a platform for freelancers. The difference is, Upwork is more suited for longer-term projects. Create a profile, bid on jobs, and start earning. Next up, we have Airbnb. If you have an extra room, or even an entire house, you can make money by renting it out on Airbnb. List your space, set your price, and start hosting. Ninth on our list is Etsy. If you're crafty or artistic, Etsy is the perfect platform to sell your handmade goods. Set up your shop, list your products, and start selling. And finally, we have Patreon. If you have a loyal fan base, Patreon allows them to support you financially. Create content, set up tiers of rewards for your patrons, and start earning. In conclusion, whether you're selling products on eBay or Amazon, offering services on Fiverr or Upwork, sharing knowledge on Udemy, creating content on YouTube or Patreon, renting out your space on Airbnb, or selling your handmade goods on Etsy, there's a wealth of opportunities to make money online. With determination, creativity, and a little bit of hustle, you too can make $1,000 per day. So get out there and start making your digital fortune.